What's up, ladies? Welcome to the pink bubble. Ooh, okay. You see me. Throw the hair back. I'm back. Now I'm bare. This is the little foundation I use by LOUISE. Pat, 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 pat. Put that on your eye. Okay. You see me? I'm gonna blend it in. Pat, 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 pat. This shit moving fast. All right, we got Sweet Valley. We gonna see what this is. It look probably purple. We gonna use this nude color just for the edges. Bitches know what edges is. All right, pat, 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 pat. Okay. Look at myself. I'm all right. Pat, pat, blend, blend. All right, we're gonna go to something else. I think that's lavender. That's lavender. I'm right. Pat on the left, on the right. My bad. Blend it in on top of that little nude color. Damn, what was that? Never mind. Keep going. We're gonna pat, 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 pat. Pat, pat. Get around the edges. Don't forget. Now we're gonna go to like a Barney purple. All right. We're gonna get just on the eyelids. Rub it in, rub it in. Get the edges. See how that sit on top of that? We're gonna get this shit called base. Okay, now look, you gotta line this shit up like you drawing, you hear me? Like, but damn, it's hard, ain't it? Hold on. Stop.
No, keep going.
You gotta motherfucker look at yourself, line this shit up in like a rainbow. All right, keep going. Put that over all that little dark purple. Rub it in, rub it in. All right. Now we're just gonna pat it a little bit. Pat, 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 pat. Not too much though. Just pat it. See, I got my little left eye open. All right, now we're gonna use the sparkles. Put a little splash in it. Oh no, I was wrong like a motherfucker. What we using? We gonna use that pink again. Oh, eyeshadow. That's the correct term for you ladies that didn't know. All right, we're gonna pat it in. We're gonna use this blue. I think this like, what's this, turquoise? We're gonna say turquoise. All right, that shit don't even look blue. We're gonna do the edges though. Just do that to make a different color over that little pink. Now we're gonna use the glitter. Duo. We're gonna like lip gloss. We're gonna just brush it on there. Oh, I switched from the duo to the brush. Y'all didn't even see that. Okay. Oh, this shit hard. It's 7 minutes. Okay, brush it in. Well, what this is? This by K's. This is the liner. See how hard that is to do that with your eyes all type of ways. I'm cross-eyed like a buffalo right there. We gonna use the black. Okay, line it up. Good, line it up. Okay, we're gonna do right over the eyelash. Now we just gonna dab, like dab. We went to I'm gonna use this other, I'm gonna use my motherfucking finger. Okay, rub it in. I'm gonna go to this blue, cause I gotta match the bottom with the top. All right, put it right under the, where your wrinkles be at. Right over that. Then we're gonna get the eyelashes. Damn, where the glue at? That should just sit on there like that. You ain't gotta put glue on that? That should come wet like that? Alright. We just gonna snap it in place. Damn, I ain't even do the other one. That was enough. Y'all got it down pat. Rub on the lipstick. This the nude. You know why I'm doing the nude? Because it kind of goes with the shit that's under all the purple. We gonna do the pink on. Damn, we doing our lips kind of like our eyes. We gonna go nude, pink. Is you gonna brush it off with a purple? Alright, I see you. Put that outfit together. Okay, I'm a bad bitch now. Look at me. Deuces. Pink bubble, ladies. Subscribe. Bye-bye.